Alright, so here I am on the boat. As you can see, I am standing on it. Al is getting the hatch open. Right there. And here is the view. It is just gorgeous all the way around me. So Al's got the front cabin open. We're going to go take a tour.
Where the pigeons and parrots.
There they go. Hopefully I caught that, but probably not. That's how that works.
Oh, she's a stinky boat.
And here we go down below.
Oh, she's stinky. Oh, got water in it.
We had a pretty bad storm last night, so. And this morning, so having a little bit of water down here. It's kind of expected. Al decided he didn't want to close up the boat all the way last night. Blaming that guy.
They did. Somebody came down here and did
So.
that. The whole boat's been closed up.
Oh, it has been. So, here's the galley. It's got a little stove. It's hard to film this way, so.
Oh, shit. Really?
I'm not sure why that my camera turned the other way.